Click New to create a new Python part named tunnel. Add image for it. Create new axis by select point or input offset. We need to input length, height, width of the tunnel. Also wall height and thickness. After creating axis, we need to create dimension. We can add parameter for this dimension. Then we can control the axis by enter value for the dimension. Similar for other dimensions. These three dimensions use same parameter, thickness. After creating axis and dimension, we can create the 3D tunnel now. First, we need to create the profile for 3D model. Click to the profile edge to modify. We finish the profile, but to make it associated with the axis, we need to lock it. Click to the position and select the axis you want to lock. Then, when we change the axis, the profile will also change. Now we can create a path for extrude. Make it a simple straight line and lock to the length. Click Finish and we can see the 3D tunnel. Click Save. Go to Library and we can see the 3D tunnel Pythonparts there. Double-click to open and make changes. Users can input the value in the parameters to change the size, height, length, width, etc. Click Finish to create the 3D model.